As mentioned in the previous video, combining reflection with oracy can enhance effective learning.
Developing metacognitive talk is seen as a key part of improving metacognition. This can include students and/or their teachers posing challenging questions, providing verbal feedback to enhance the work, fostering structured dialogue, and supporting collaborative problem solving.
Extending opportunities for students to talk in the classroom, and in particular to articulate their thinking about specific tasks, has tangible benefits. For example, one study found that students who were involved in this type of classroom discussion went on to outperform their peers in a range of subjects. Most importantly, the researchers in this study concluded that discussion and dialogue were identified as the most powerful and relevant means of fostering metacognition.
So if you're looking for more resources like this that are
Useful,
research-based
and easy to use,
then go to the Teacher CPD Academy now.